I can see us
For this style, well, for any of my protective styles now, I make sure to leave out a fair amount of edges. One, because it's low tension, you don't want to rip out your edges, which I kind of did on this side a while back, but they're going back, so. But yeah, low tension, and because I want these to be dramatic edges, so the more hair, the better. Take the edge booster. Get some on my finger, and I get the Eco, put some on my finger, and then, so, well, obviously when you're doing edges, you do your hair in sections, so I'm doing this hair right here, so I'm just gonna put the edge control on. Okay, now that we have the hair all brushed down, well, laid down, we're just gonna do 2 swoops on this side. Like so. I'm gonna go back through with the toothbrush to make it lay flatter. Like so. And then 4. Like that. And then for the sideburn, we're gonna coat all the hair in Eco and do a little twist. And then mix the Eco and this. The hair's a little straight because I still have the edge booster on there, and it's not meant to curl your hair. It's meant to make it really flat and stuff. So put that on only at the top. And then take a rattail comb and do a little swoop. Swoop like that. Well, let's do a little extra swoop maybe. See how that works. So for this side, I'm taking out a piece of hair, like that much hair, to leave until the end because I like to do a little swoop in the middle. And this side is a little bit different than the other side. This style is not symmetrical. And then we're just going to do a swoop. Brush the hair down a little bit for the swoop. Let me try to turn this way a little bit for you guys. Like that. Yeah. The swoop is like that. And then we're taking this hair and we're making another swoop with all the hair together. Like that. And then we're just gonna swoop that back into the hair. Let's go to with our toothbrush. Like that. I have a really low hairline, but, and then for the sideburn, coat the whole thing in Eco. But of course it's not gonna curl up like usual because it has, my fingers still have, oh, this one's curling up a little bit. Okay. Curl it up with my finger. Let's see, there one. Okay, and then we're gonna coat the base with our mixture. Like that. Rattail comb to swoop. Okay, kind of like that. So this is the finished look. As I said, dramatic. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Continue to comment, like, and subscribe. Give me suggestions for more videos that you guys would like to see, and just, yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, night, evening, whatever. But thank you guys for watching.